Thank you for joining us. This video is part of a series to help you set up and use your Revitive Circulation Booster. This video shows you the patented IsoRocker and how to get it rocking. If we turn the device over, you will see the IsoRocker. The patented system allows Revitive to rock your feet and ankles, replicating heel-toe exercises to maximize the benefit of each therapy. To use the IsoRocker, keep turning up the intensity until you feel a very strong leg muscle contraction and the device starts to rock. It's not the user that makes the device rock. It will occur automatically once you have achieved strong leg muscle stimulation. When your calf muscles contract, your toes naturally point downwards and your heels raise, rocking the device forwards. When the stimulation stops, your leg muscles relax and the device rocks backwards again. Make sure you sit so that your legs make a right angle bend at the knee. And keep turning the intensity level up to achieve the strongest tolerable muscle contraction. The maximum intensity is 99, and most people use their Revitive on at least 40. The fact is, clinical studies show that if you use Revitive at least once a day for 6 to 8 weeks, you'll feel better and can start getting back to doing the things you love. As you can see, the patented IsoRocker is easy to use and helps you get the most from your Revitive. Visit the website today and subscribe for more helpful tips.